me out. I'm gonna try not to crash out today. Good morning, the consultant. How are you? Manny Barton, how are you? I'm gonna try to be a good kitty today. I'm also going to refactor the work we did yesterday, actually. I thought of another idea. So, let's start in here. Go in here. I think but this is from, oh wait, I forgot this one was like this. Okay. Well, let's just sink in. Oh. We're going to. Hi, Sissy, how are you? Remove bonjour. Go back in notes. Let's see. I'm okay. I am okay. Oops. I'm a little bit sleepy and a little bit confused. It's okay though, it's okay. How do I want to do this? Morning. What I'm thinking is for each of these, instead of making a bunch of different files, I'll just have two files. One that's like code only, and one that is a markdown file. But I'm trying to think if it would be easier to do code first and then make the markdown file, or make the notes first and then remove the markdown. I think it would be easier to do the code first. My head hurts a little bit. So we'll just call this actually we could keep it how it is. I forgot how to copy. Thank you for wishing me luck. Can I do this? Oh, I could do this. But we're gonna, oh, I forgot, yeah. We're gonna rename the notes pie. and call it code. Yawning. Okay. So we need to is it gonna be 3? Okay, probably. Something like this. Uh-oh, I'm lagging. Or no, it's my keyboard. Can I do lowercase? Does that work? I don't know. Whatever, I guess we'll find out. And then what else? What else? What else? What else? I think it would be more useful to have questions related to each thing. Okay. uh, let's see, let's see, let's see. Hello, good morning. They're not. Meow, meow, meow. I wonder, can I? I don't have it on this thing. I don't have it on this thing. Yeah. I think I need to download something. Today we're just vibing. The easy way. Oh, this is a pretty blog. Oh, this looks so clean. Oh, what a nice blog. I use Neovim, of course you do. Handock is a secret sauce. La, 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 la. Function markdown view. Oh, to HTML? I don't get it. Execute silence, pandoc, some regular expression I don't understand, something I don't understand, some other regular Firefox, blah blah blah, get car. Now? Markdown view does the following. Converts a currently open file to HTML, assuming it's in Markdown. Opens a converted HTML file in the Firefox web browser. I think this is not exactly what I'm looking for. It's an option though. I'll keep it in a tab. I have a thing, but I forget what it's called. So let me check my other computer. Um, um, um. No. Mac without VS Code. Oh, wait. This one? Markdown preview. I really don't want an app for that, but I do want to be able to use it in preview. I used to do it for LaTeX and types, so I know there's a way to do it. I just don't remember. What the heck is it called? Do I? Meow. Lightvim plugin for previewing markdown files in a browser. Do I really want to do it in a browser though? Or do I have to? Oh, maybe I convert it to PDF first. I don't remember. How to preview markdown. Preview. Maybe it can't. Maybe I'm going insane. Markdown preview. The browser. So it was in the browser. What if I say I had a preview? Maybe it was PDF files only. Yes, it was. It was Vimtex, I'm pretty sure. Shit. Well, I guess I could use a browser. I don't really want to, though. It's not necessary. Yeah, I think the craziest part was that the company ignored them. The company was like, y'all heard something? I didn't hear anything. Ah, my throat hurts. Meow, meow, meow. I guess I could technically use obsidian. Maybe. Go to. Can I open file? Open? Open? Do I need to put it in the... Do I need to put it in? I probably need to put it in here. That's cringe. Wow, you know what? It's fine. It literally doesn't matter. Let's stop wasting time. Good for you. Good for you, sad ass dast. I hate Windows, so look, we both have opinions. Let's see, output. Um, 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 um. Let's see, we'll do. What is wrong with the following snippet of code? missing quotes around the string. And then also want to ask something else. So electricity, and then let's see. Um, 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 what type of error will this produce? I actually don't know what kind of error this is going to produce. I think it might be like something like hello is undefined. Love you next. Love Max, so expensive. Everything is expensive now. It's a wallpaper. It's my feet. It's my feet. Learn Python basics, stuck in tutorial, how to do to get out of it. What's tutorial hell? Describe that to me. I would say test yourself, I guess. Try starting, just 5 minutes. Made this mistake. Trying to make, just try to make small stuff. Doesn't get cheaper like old business laptops. Okay, let's see. I think it's gonna be... I don't know what type though, cause I really gotta start my flashcards again. Hey Manny Nightmare, how are you kidding? It is a name error. Yes, I knew it. Hello is not defined. Gotta type this. Name. Hello. It's not defined. Should I do the whole thing? No, I think that's good enough. Maybe I should put this one down here. And also put this here. Cute. Uh-oh. Did I DC? You could just go rogue. You go rogue and just make stuff up. Let's see. Meow, meow, meow. Do I like this? This is useful. Okay, it's fine. Okay. And notes will be notes. Okay, I think I'm satisfied now. Okay, so we got a long way to go. Let's move on to the next one. Not doing anything today. I'm just I'm reviewing. You're doing the course adding markdown notes. Kind of. I'm doing a second pass so I can learn more deeply. And I'm going to, because in the beginning, I wasn't actually recording any of my work. And I want to be able to, yeah. So I'll do two things. I'll make one file that is code and one file that's code only, or one file that's notes with code. and the notes file will be in the format of like questions. You can add a spoiler. How do I add spoiler in Markdown? Oh wait, is it just, does that work? How do you oops. Is it like pipe characters? Is it pipe? Oh, I don't remember either. Actually, I could test it. I don't know if it would be the same, right? I should pin Obsidian. I use it a lot actually. Let's go ahead and pin this bad boy. It'll keep you in the dark. We'll close this. I will just call this. What is Mark? Oh, this could really this could really take me down a rabbit hole because I think because like you know. So I know there's things, but yeah, is it like this? Yeah. I don't think that works. I don't think it works. Or does it not work in, is it like, I know Discord has it, but is that like extra steps? Does regular Markdown have it? Yeah, in Discord it's pipes, but I mean it's Markdown is it's pretty small. Wait, let's look it up. Obsidian Markdown. I take a little peek. Sharpen your thinking. Oh, wait, what's this? Okay, I just want this one. For advanced formatting syntax. Ooh, I like this. Okay, you can make tables. Oh, this is for, you can put pictures in Obsidian? Wait! You can use mermaid diagrams in Obsidian? That changes a lot of things for me. I'm gonna have to, wait a minute. Oh, wait a minute. You could put pictures in Markdown. Yeah, I know that. I know you could put pictures in Markdown. I just didn't think Obsidian let you do it. It's spoiler Markdown. What is that? Spoiler. JJ and Doot, both of your answers are actually not helping me quite at all. I'm not gonna lie. I don't really know what you're trying to say. It's, you can have Excalibur in Obsidian. That's crazy. I forgot that Excalibur existed, but then I saw it again the other day. That's just really cute. I need a switch. Yeah, I like Obsidian for notes, I guess. Getting a little bit sidetracked here. That's okay. This is spoiler. There's probably a plugin for it. Meow, 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 meow. I think we leave it alone. Hear me out. I think we leave it alone for now. This is what we do. Wait. We just keep. Your mom is disappointed. Troglodyte night. We keep a consistent format. And then we could always just scrape like. We could always just scrape like questions only. He said I love feet in a public chat on YouTube. You don't think his mom is disappointed? I think his mother would be like, "What the fuck, dude? Get it together." Yeah, no, I know. I think it's a good suggestion. Yeah. Detail summary. Click to reveal summary. The main character's details. Ah, is that like some? Yeah, I don't know what that is. That's pretty cool. How dare he? Oh, it's HTML. It's fine. I mean, some people like feet. Others of us like armpits. Nothing wrong with that. But you don't have to go into a random chat when it's like off topic and announce it. I think that's like, you know, that's like a step too far. Meow, meow, meow. Okay, we go back, we go in, and then we redo it. So we're gonna, notes is, what is this gonna be? We're gonna move notes pi to, no, we're gonna copy notes pi to notes md, and we're gonna rename notes pi to code pi. Actually, I keep forgetting my own thing. We're actually gonna rename that again. Code pi is actually gonna be, we gotta keep some consistency. And then how do you do tree on the, like this? Okay. Yeah, and then we're gonna follow this naming convention. Yeah, I know about Jupyter notebooks. I don't want to use Jupyter notebooks though. Are you learning Python or making Python learning material? I'm learning. I'm not making anything, Zang. Should I put something in the chat? I'll just say it. Okay. Reviewing. Introduction. Wait. Reviewing. I don't know how to spell. Introduction to Python course from Waterloo. Making some notes and getting organized. Really chill. Have a good day. Yeah. I can't believe YouTube is so cringe that it's generating these AI recommended comments for me to auto reply to people. I'm still really creeped out by that. I hate that stuff. Hi Altella, welcome back. Did you enjoy your day off? I also immediately forgot how I pronounced it, so sorry. Sorry. They're making the AI bigger. They're trying to make us dumb. Yeah. Okay, I gotta lock in. I'm gonna take a little break from looking at the chat. You guys are too funny and distracting. I tried to look for how to turn off the AI recommendations, but what disturbs me more is like There was no place where I opted in to consent to this. It made me feel like YouTube is like very openly training their AI on my data, which I knew Google and Alphabet would do. But the fact that they're so blatant about it and they try to make it seem like it's a favor to me. It's like, oh yeah, oh don't worry, we're gonna train our machines to mimic you perfectly. You're gonna like it. It's like, what the. I don't know. I looked in the settings. I didn't find any. Consent only matters if you're a congressman. Good morning, Emerson. I am distracted by chat, so I stopped looking now. Okay, we're locking in. This is this is a real deal now. Let's go back into the code run. Go into the code run from yesterday. I think it's fine, honestly. Oh, so for those of you who left or got banned, I spent a disturbing amount of time yesterday trying to print a table in Python using strings, like not using any libraries. And I'm really happy with how it turned out in the end. Let's see, what the heck is this called again? Yeah, so ignore these numbers here, but I made this table based on this table down here. And the way you're supposed to read it is sort of like based on these instructions, these code instructions, how do we visualize what's actually happening? You can make a table with statements and then how the values change. So first is assigned to the number 2. So you get a name first with a value 2. And then second and third haven't really been made yet, so those are still empty. And then you do second, and then you do third is equal to the product of first times second, which is 6. And then second is third minus first, which is 6 minus 2, which gives us 4. But it was 3 before. Oh, the other point of this exercise is to illustrate how variables get updated, etc., etc. But I was really proud of myself. It took me an unreasonable amount of time to make a table. It took me too long. Okay, we're gonna go out of here. We don't really need to change anything in there, but we do need to change the notes. Okay, we gotta change a lot about the notes. Let's start at the top. We could just go ahead and add a question right off the bat. What are variables? And then we could leave our code in there. Oh, actually, maybe I should put these. Oh, I didn't. What the heck? Okay, that's what I meant to do. And then put this here, put this here. Actually, I want it to be Python specifically. Do this one. We wanna go down. Then we wanna bring this up, and then we wanna go down again. And then do this. And then I'll go to the bottom probably. I'm just gonna put this whole thing in one big thing. I go back to the top. Let's see. put one. Oh, put it there. I think this works. I think this should be fine. I think we commented everything. I mean, okay. So what are variables? I don't know. I think they're names for values, but or we could say, what do variables do? They act as storage locations for data in a program. Oh wow! Oh wow! And then we have my lucky number. Is there any question that I could ask about this? I don't think so. I think this is self-explanatory. Meow, meow, or maybe gives a value of 13 in the first two print statements. We could say something about assignment and reassignment. Why don't we do that? What is assignment? When a value is, what is it called? It begins with an I. Initiated? Initialized? And the value is, I don't remember. What's the terminology? You know, it's like when in Rome. Am I in the wrong place? Oh, they changed their UI? Or what? I'm really confused. Oh, I'm in the wrong place. What is it called? Initialized, maybe? What I'm trying to say is I'm trying to learn the glossary. What is the proper term? Python. Variables. A variable is a label attached to a specific value stored in a program's memory. Oh man, I kind of like that definition better. Let's fix this. A label attached to a specific value stored in a program's memory. Wow. Variables can be changed. We can connect the variable to a different value. We often talk about assigning or reassigning for brevity. We also speak of variables as containing data. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, meow, meow. Meow, meow. There are two hard problems in computer science: cache invalidation, naming things, and off by one errors. This is cute. Variable names are often referred to by the broader term. Okay, I'm not gonna go down this rabbit hole. I just wanted to know what it was called, but I guess let's say. Because I don't want to use the word assigned. it initialized? Is it initialized? Oh! We create initialize. Yeah, there we go. Wait. By giving them a value. My brain hurts. Initializations are also said to provide a definition for a variable. Two. I didn't make it up. I didn't make it up. I knew it was a thing. To a variable. What? Describe what happens during reassignment. Meow, 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 meow. La 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 la. Do, do, do. What happens during reassignment? The variable references a different value, but there is a meow 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 meow. But the original value. I don't really want to talk about memory yet because I don't know enough about it. But I think that they say, like, you know, it might still exist in memory or something, that other value. Is there anything else in here? Blah, blah, blah. They talk about operators. My tummy hurts. We draw the table. Was I not finished yesterday? I guess I wasn't. I didn't do this part. Shit. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Let's hop over to the other one. And then let's just go to the end. And we have short answer exercise about variables. My tummy hurts. X marks the spot. How should I write this? I think I just write it normally, right? X equals, or use meow. Meow equals 11. Meow equals meow plus meow. Meow equals meow minus, ouch, 6. This is 16. Wait, let's do minus 8. 2, 6, 14. I like it, I like it. 50. Oops. Oh, my tummy hurts. Oh no, I'm so hungry. Okay. 2 common errors. If you ask Python about a variable that has not been defined, you get an error. Yeah, we met that one already. I met this already. I don't know if I'm doing this right. I don't know if I'm doing this right. When I say doing this right, I mean like, how do I do this in a way that's useful to me? I don't think X marks the spot is particularly useful. Wow. My brain is hemorrhaging. Updating a variable. Let's just keep it simple, I guess. And then this one will be wrong. Print trouble. And then we get the name error. Name trouble is not defined. Sometimes you get errors like this from simple typos, like number instead of number, or numer instead of number. Type print address, the same type of error occurs. Another error has to do with accidentally swapping sides of an equal statement. We'll also call this one wrong. I will say x equals 4, 4 equals x. Meow, meow, meow. Head, shoulders, knees, and toes. Do I like that? I don't know. Man. Man, 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 man. Write a code fragment, a short part of Python program to count heads, shoulders, knees, and toes at a party. Count heads, shoulders, knees, and toes at a party. That's sure, buddy. We're going to a party. The grader will automatically define a variable people for you. Counting the number of people at the party. Okay, so we have like people equals some number. Or say, let's see. Let's see how many. Oh, 57. Oh, not 67. Okay, 57. And then, what if we make it more fun and we do kittens? Do kittens have knees? How many toes do cats have? Sorry, this is a really weird question. I don't know what you're called. Like, I mean, they do. This is like a weird question, isn't it? Uh, yeah, they're like liquid, you know? Cats have knees and ankles on their hind legs. Okay, let's see. How many toes do cats have? I've never counted. Don't judge me. Don't judge me. I never counted. 1, 2, 3, 4. Like, is that 5? Is it always 5? Wait, is this AI generated or is this real? Cats have amazing paws. They use them for activities. Most have 18 toes, 10 in front, 8 in the back. The fifth front toe is positioned slightly further away. Where you'd expect to find. See, this is a good question. And do they consider the first one's toes? Like, are all like the front paws have toes too? I hope this is a real website and this is not. I hope this website is not like AI generated. No products found. Oh, this is so cringe. Whoever job it was to populate this with something, you're fired. Or did they use? Is this AI generated? Like, the more I look at this, I'm scared. Oh, look, a kitty. Polydactyl cats have more toes. Wait a minute. I need a backup. Cats.com looks reputable. Cats have 18 toes. Okay. Well, at least they didn't ask for fingers. So sorry I'm being weird. Um I'm being very weird right now. We need one called heads. What do one called? Do cats have shoulders? But you know what I mean? What's considered a shoulder? Is it called something else? Right? Like, maybe it's called something else. I don't know. I don't make the rules. When we think about shoulders, we think about our arms, how they attach to our body. Cats have 4 legs. Does it mean they have 4 hips? No. Their rear limbs attached to pelvis. I should know this actually. Shit. I should know cat anatomy. See, I'm not saying that like, oh, it doesn't look like cats have shoulders. I'm saying that I don't know if they're called that. Yeah, shoulder bones are called scapulas, which is the same word as our shoulder blades. Let's do not use them the same way we use ours. Neither do their scapula bones act the same. If you think about it, we rely on our shoulders for things like carrying bags, moving heavy objects, many other tasks that are essential to day-to-day lives. Cats don't have to do any of that. They just look cute and bask in the glow of the sun. Okay, I don't want to know all this. I just wanted to know that question. So toes is 18 times kittens. Knees is 2 times kittens, right? Like, we all agree that cats front limbs, they're like right, their front limbs don't have knees. Those would be the akin to elbows, but I don't think they're called that. 2 shoulders and 1 head. Do we have to do anything else? Wow, 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 wow. Wow, 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 wow. Yeah. We can do the same for this. Heads is one times people and shoulders. Yeah, that's two. And the knees. But what if there are paraplegics at the party? What if there are people missing limbs at the party? What if there are cat girls at the party? Toes. 10 people. This should be good. Easy. Okay. Moving on. Code scramble. The next time. The next item is a new type of programming exercise. I already did this before. You're in a bike race. It goes up and down a hill. The grader will predefine 4 variables for you. Total distance, total time, average speed. Something like this. Work. I'm getting demotivated, boys. I'm getting demotivated. Getting a little demotivated. Write a program. Okay, or do this one again. Write a program to swap values of 2 variables. The grader will automatically define variables x and y. Write a program to swap values of 2 variables. Okay. You must write code that exchanges their values. The value of x after your code runs must be equal to the value y had before. And the value of y must equal the value of x before. Your program doesn't need to wait. It doesn't need to print any output. The most common solution is short but can be hard to find. Click each hint if you want to read it. Let's say x is 1 and y is 2. We want to make x equal to actually should I use different numbers? It doesn't matter, right? If we need to get x to be y, we need x to be 2 times wait, given any number. Oh, I'm in trouble. I don't remember how to do this. It could be any number. How do we exchange the values in terms of x and y? I'm in trouble. Ah. This is a math problem. Can we just do something like x is x over y? What does that do? 5 over 14. How do you do this without a third value? Hmm. If we do y minus x, what do we get? 9. And then if we do y equals y minus x, we get 5. Then we do x equals x plus y. I think that's it. X equals y minus x, y equals y minus x equals x plus y. Does that work? What if we change these to like 10? Then we get 5. 10 minus 5 is 5 again. And then 5 plus 5. I think this is just it. Okay, we'll just delete this. And now we gotta, oops, go to the end, go to the end, go to the end. And I wanna go like 40k. Not that much. I don't remember. Let's go to here. We're gonna copy this. And then we need to put it all in here. Oops. We want this to be Python. And we want, where else do we want to put this? I'm missing an S. Should be variables. Let's see. P. There we go. 3JP. There we go. 4JP. And there we go. 7JP. And then we bring this to the top, and that's it. And then we go to 5J. And we're gonna put these bad boys in so we could wrap this thing. And then we want to go up. How do you go up half a page? Is it Control U? I'm actually afraid. Every time. Oh, this is why I need a Vim cheat sheet. How to go up half a page in Vim. Every time I'm tempted to just YOLO try something. Control U scrolls. Do I believe it? Oh, it did something. Wait, it did something. Okay. And then Control D, right? Goes down. Okay, that's good. That's really good. Wait. What the heck? What the? Gonna put this here. Then we're gonna put this here. And then we're gonna go for JP. Then we go 5JP. And then we put this up here. We go HJ and print. And then we're good. Okay, we got all the code part like tucked away. We got all the code tucked away. Now to make useful notes. Let's see. We did this for reassignment, updating variables, blah 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 blah. Then we have more practice, it's fine. We could just ask what kind of error will the following snippet produce? And we already said it's gonna be a name error. Something like, is it name trouble is undefined? Oh, it's not defined. Name trouble is not defined. There we go. What kind of error will the following code produce? I don't really know actually. I think is it gonna be some sort of like type error? Oh, syntax, it says right there. Syntax error. Can't assign to a literal. Okay, and then we have this one, this practice exercise. I gotta figure out my spacing so that it's like consistent. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, 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 meow. I think I wanna do two spaces. Wait, I should do Control U, Control U, Control U. Does that look bad? Maybe just do one space everywhere, call it a day. Yeah, let's just do one space everywhere. Ah! 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 I don't know. I should make a decision. This is a design choice that's gonna affect me for a long time. Wait. Okay, I take a little break. Let's see. Python learning stream. Yeah, we're trying to learn. It's not config syntax highlight of the code block in Markdown. See not config syntax highlight. For Vim? Yeah, no. Okay, good night, sweet dreams. She subtracted first? I'm confused. Why are you confused? It doesn't matter, does it? Print Miss Moon IDE Vim. Please change VS MR diamonds. People around these parts get banned for that. If it hurts to watch, just don't watch. It's that easy. You have free will. You have free will. You could just leave. You know you can leave anytime. Hi, can you restore my old Insta account? How do I do that? Change Vim to Neo Vim. Slander. I need to change Vim to Classic Vim. I don't know, Neo Vim sounds evil to me. It's like the Matrix. Free will is a myth. Okay, fine. Do we have to go down that route? When I had to use Vi, it was a pain. I was working on such old Linux, there's no better option. Hi, Rio. How are you? Hi, Rio Yamada. How many plugins do you have? I don't know, like 3? Right, Tanky? I don't know if that's gonna happen. Good luck with your meeting. Are you doing your stand-up? Are you doing your daily stand-up? Let's see what I got in here. Oh, this is so intimate. I can't believe I'm showing you guys. I can't believe I'm showing you guys my vim.rc file. Oh, 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 I feel exposed. But really, I copied most of this from some YouTuber, and then over time I changed things like a little bit. Why are you not trying to code in contest and code first for us? Because I don't know how to, what do you call that? I don't know how to code. Lab University, we learned how to write data. Let's airline as one short config, right? It's literally like 30 lines. Yeah, it is the bottom bar thingy. Like I said, I just found some YouTuber. This is way back in the day. I'll tell you, that's the truth. That's the truth. I found some YouTuber and they were like, oh, I use Vim. Vim is so good. Because I wanted to learn how to program. I told a story before. I wanted to learn how to program, and it led me to discovering that Vim exists. So then I started using Vim, and then I just forgot about programming altogether. But I continued to like use Vim occasionally, practice using it. So that it just makes no sense. It makes no sense. Don't do that. You just get stuck there. You just get stuck there, and you never get to the actual coding part. Try downloading Markdown Previewer. I don't want to download one. Okay, let me preface that. I think I might look for a Markdown Previewer later, but I didn't find one that I was happy with so far. I did a very cursory look, and all of the recommendations were like converting Markdown for viewing in a browser, like HTML something. X equals y minus x, y equals y minus x equals x plus y. Let's swap the number, but I feel like x plus y equals x minus y, x equals x minus y makes more sense. Dan Kiyulavu, you might Okay, you might be a math major, and maybe that is why it makes more sense to you or something like that. Maybe I'm doing it wrong, but also I think I think you might just be bumping up against a property of mathematics. I actually do not think the order matters if they both result in the same thing. But again, if you prefer to do X plus Y first, no one on earth is stopping you from doing that. A rare non-programmer Vim user. Vim is cool. Vim is motion. Vim motion is love. Vim motion is life. Sorry. Someone getting you hooked on drugs is bad, but you can't stop. If you're interested in building a terminal text editor, there's a tutorial called Build Your Own Text Editor by Paige Rutten. I'm probably not going to remember that. Beware of plugins blow. I've avoided it so far. Commanding Shadow Commander, how have you been today? Do you have a scheduled daily live code? Yes, kind of. I never officially announced my schedule because I wasn't committed. But I can say that my schedule is likely to be 5 days a week, Monday to Friday, um, at 6 a.m. Eastern US time. What is that? Oh, I saw something funny. Someone tried to look at like the UTC time with Google, and Gemini was hallucinating, and it gave like two different answers. 6 a.m. East to Universal. Let's see. Okay, 10 a.m. Coordinated Universal Time. Does that track? 4 a.m. plus 4. Yeah, that tracks. And it'll be 2 hours. And then after doing 5 days a week, I think I'll probably kick it up to 6 or 7 if I like it. Doing pretty good. VTuber on Japanese is peak. Cool. Or VTuber. What's happening today? I'm taking a little break, but yeah. Can you at least add Vim polyglot syntax highlighting, please? No. So Dr. Gem 9061, I said this, maybe did I say it to you or someone else? If watching me is painful, you don't have to watch. It's up to you. Like, you could leave. I will be honest with you all. I don't use much any of the highlighting that I have. I installed it by accident. I don't use code complete or highlighting for now because I'm trying to learn. And although you guys might find it useful, I find it sort of distracting. And I feel like, yeah, I just find it distracting. I don't even notice it. So I'm trying to use the bare bones to learn, and then later, later I'm sure I'll get as opinionated as you guys are. But if you don't like it, don't waste your life. This is your one life. Don't watch slop content on YouTube. Instead of watching me try to futz around learning to code, you should go, I don't know, make something. Go make a sandwich for your wife. I bet your wife is hungry. I find it distracting if it doesn't have syntax highlighting. I'm sorry, kitties. I'm sorry. I'm being mean. I wasn't gonna crash out today, so I'm gonna try to hold it together. Reaching for the tool or config when you actually need it is a healthy mindset. Oh, thank you, Rainbows. If you learned C++, you could do your Vim private and const. Does the code run? Imagine having a wife, right? I have a wife in my dreams. Doing stuff without syntax helpers works if you're trying to build your reading skills. For now. Ginger Bill doesn't use any of that stuff. It's possible to not use it at all. Are you actually a female? Yeah. What the fuck? Why do I get that question so often? I get that question like really often. It's concerning to me. Anyway. Um Alright, that's enough distraction. I only have like 40 minutes left of this stream. I need to lock in. It's been nice chit-chatting for a little bit though. Okay, so what I'm doing is I finished this whole thing, this whole program, blah blah blah, this learning a little bit of Python. But I didn't take any notes the first time around. So this is supposed to be my speed run where I redo the whole course while taking a little bit of notes that I can actually utilize. That's the goal. So what does this one do? Let's see. Is there a good question that I have for this? I don't really have any more questions, I think, for variables. Let's see. We did the name trouble. We did this. Is there new information that we want to add? I think these are just exercises. I think we can move on. Let's just take this out. Okay, and now we go back and we go into. Oh, what the heck is 1E? Ah, I didn't know there was a 1E. That's how they get you. So we're gonna go into 1. And that actually makes me a little bit concerned. I'm just gonna call it, I'll make a folder directory, call it 1E. Then we go into 1E, and then we make the same thing. we touch code dot, wait, oh, ah, shit. I forgot. This is really messing me up. Give me a second. What does my folder pattern look like? Okay, so this was 11. Okay, so it should be 01E actually. 1E, 2. Okay, and then we touch 1. What is that? 1E notes. We'll just make the code first. Yeah. Okay. As you do more and more programming, you will naturally encounter a lot of errors or bugs. Hmm. Causing, understanding, and fixing errors is an important part of programming. Python will do its best to run anything you tell it to run, but if it can't understand what you're asking, then it won't run the program. On the same type, Python will try to tell you a little bit of information. Here are 2 Python errors. So we have some wrong code. And it goes print G Print. Print. Greeting. I am a little bit stun locked because I'm thinking I'm doing this the wrong way. Oh, my brain hurts. My brain hurts. It's okay. It's fine. We could do 3 passes. It's totally fine. Let's just worry about the code, and then yeah, we'll worry about typing the code, and then we'll come back and we'll like do the exercises and add some questions. So we have another one, which is oh, okay. I see some of you were complaining about highlighting. It's just because, like, yeah. In Markdown, I don't have that. But in other ones, it's there. Honestly, I don't like it though. I wish I could. One of my to-do list items for project ideas. Did I write it in here? I want to make my own color scheme for Vim based on my favorite colors and based on like the Missus Moonson colors. It's on the list. It's on the list. I'm gonna do that. And I want it to be more like monochrome. It's gonna use like black, white, red, gray in different shades, and that's it. Maybe we do one pink. Meow meow meow. Meow 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 meow. Wow, 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 wow. Oh, this is really triggering. This is actually triggering. Ah. What can I do? I don't think there's anything I can do about it. Okay, let's see. Wow, wow, wow. Yeah, this is actually triggering me. I'll just put it there for now. What the heck? Oh, it's because of this one too. Oh my god. I don't like it. I don't like it. I don't like it. I'll delete them at the end. Print. Call me. Meow, meow, meow. We have print 1/0. We have print. You cannot add text and numbers. And then what else? Oh, this is a good question. Ah, 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 ah. This is getting redundant. X equals 3, y equals 4, average x plus y. This is fine. This is fine. And then lastly we have, oops. Oh wait, what is this? Fix the syntax error in the following program. Okay. Print. I don't feel like copying this. Okay, fine, let's not be lazy. We gotta practice typing. Numbers. Ah! Ah! My accuracy. Ah! My accuracy. It goes down. What do we got? Print hello. Username equals Joe. Kidding. Print username. Fix the runtime error in the following program so that it prints out hello on the first line and Joe on the second line. You could change at most 2 characters. Meow, meow, meow. Hello, Joe. Oh, it's not a string. Oops. Okay. I was confused there. I was staring deep into the void like, what's wrong with this? Where's the runtime error? Should we do gas? Milk! Gas price. $11. Gas tax. Bath water price. 11 cents. Bath water tax. You're going shopping for milk and meat and milk, but there's a tax. You buy $2 of milk, $4 of meat, and the tax rate is 3%. Print out the total cost. You don't need to print a dollar sign. What does this have to do with anything? This is not even. Wait. The meat price is 4, and it's a float. Meat tax is 0.03 times meat price. Milk prices 2. Milk taxes 0.03 times milk price. Meat tax plus meat price plus milk tax plus milk price. I already put meat twice. Oh, this is kind of annoying. Gas tax plus gas price plus bath water tax plus gas price. This is how the government scams you, by the way. This is what they're scamming you. Okay. And then we select the whole thing. We steal everything. We steal everything. We're gonna make the other one notes MD. So we're just gonna put it in here. Oh, I really feel like I'm doing this backwards. Okay, starting from the next one forward, I will do the notes first, and then I'll make the code only version later. Also, I forgot to take out those other ones. Uh, um, 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 I think. What if I just comment it out? That works, right? What else? What else? What else? What else? This one. There's another one that was unfinished. Oh, this one. Right here. And then actually, what if I don't comment it out? I just take it out. Who's gonna stop me? No one, that's right. No one's gonna stop me. It just looks really dumb. See? You see how dumb this looks? So I put errors in here on purpose. But now it looks so dumb, but I guess that's also a benefit. But isn't that cheating? So now, like as a beginner, if there was no like highlighting, I would actually have to find like, what's wrong. But with this, I could tell right away, uh-oh, something has gone massively wrong. Oh, oh no, oh no. Oh, cope, kitty. Why don't you cope, little kitty? Blah, 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 blah. Blah, blah, blah. Okay. Now, there's something I can do on... I know I could do this in, Obsidian, but how do I do this? How to type on multiple lines in Vim. I forget how to do this. Insert same. Is there a way to do this? Do they want me to do macros? Is there an easy way to do it? Okay, I could do search and replace. Search and replace. Move cursor to end in name. Enter visual block mode. Press J 3 times. No, but I don't want all the ones in a row. Wait. I know how to do that, but I don't know how to do ones with skipping. Shit. Shit, shit, shit. With spaces in between. I don't think this is gonna answer my question. Yeah, that's not really the question. Probably the answer is to use macros, kitty cat. But I don't remember how to do macros. I guess I could look it up, whatever. It's my stream. We could do whatever. How do macros work in Vim again? Please, docs, tell me. This one? Uh-oh. Cloudflare, the bane of my existence. Why are you verifying that I'm human? You should be verifying something, my nuts, my toes, my whatever. Let's look at this one. Wait. Plain text. Let's frequently asked questions. Oh, Bramunor, my old friend. Just kidding, not my friend. Honestly, I really don't understand Vim docs. I want to learn about macros. How do I do that? What do they call it? I don't even know. I don't even know what it's called. Okay, let's see. Typing a command quickly. Go away, come back. Finding the file. Editing other files. Insert it quickly. Set. Folder. You guys know what I'm talking about? There's like this thing. Like new commands. Auto commands. Blah, 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 blah. It's like a button. Am I making this up? I don't want to know all this. Is it A? I think it is A. A? Okay, wait. Choose a register. Okay, maybe it's called recording then? Record and playback commands. Yeah, this one. Okay, the period repeats the preceding change, but what if you want to do something more complex than a single change? That's where recording comes in. There are 3 steps. The Q register command starts recording keystrokes into the register named register. The register name must be between A and Z. Type your commands. So do QA. Type your commands. Finish recording. Press Q without an extra character. You can now execute the macro by typing at register. Okay, let's try it. What's the worst that can happen? Right. So we're gonna do QA. Then we're gonna insert. And we're gonna go like this. 1, 2, 3. Python. We're gonna exit. And then we're gonna press Q again. And then we're gonna go down 3. And we're gonna add A. Oops, I think I did it wrong. Add A. Wait, did I do it wrong? Okay, I think I did it wrong. Let's try that again. Seriously, I don't know how to do it. I don't know how to do it. Frick. Let's try it again. I'm gonna do this till this works. So, Q A. Recording at A. Insert, type words, Python, exit, Q. If I go here, at A, okay, I don't mind that. That's pretty bad. That's not bad. What if I put it here? It's not exactly what I want. That's not exactly what I want. Let's do it again, but this time we're gonna also add a space. So this is learning. This is what learning looks like. We're just gonna overwrite the QA. Go QA, and then we're gonna insert, and then add a space, and then 3 ticks, and then Python, and then we're gonna exit, and then we're gonna end the recording. Okay, 3J at A. Oh, that worked. And then we want to do it again at A T. I want to get rid of this actually. And we do it again at A 4J. Oops. At A 3J at A again. I would do the same for each, but I think some of the programs have more lines than others. Also A meow 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 meow. Oh, this is a hot mess. This looks so messy. Okay, that's fine. Now we're gonna do the same thing for the bottom. Q T, get it? Cutie, haha. We're gonna do insert 1, 2, 3. And then get out. Do we need a space? Or put 1 space and get out. And then we're gonna stop with Q, and then we're gonna go up like 15. So if I do at T, oh, that works. Oh, how beautiful that works. Okay, but we could do Control U, I guess. I'm having trouble keeping track of the places. 5K at T, 8K at T, Control U, maybe. Wow. This is giving me a slight headache. Control U. That's fine. That's fine. At T. 6K at T. Control U. We go up 1. Go up more. Okay, that's as far as we could go. And there, this is the last one. Okay, so now everything. Oh no, I missed one. I missed way more than one. I missed a bunch. Okay, is that it? I don't have a good sense of how much I'm jumping ahead, so I'm just gonna hope for the best. I see another one that I forgot there on line. Where did you go? Line 8 lines up. 8K at T. Yeah. Hmm. Um, 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 um. 77. Here's some text. Oh, I missed another one. I'm really bad at this. T. What else did I miss? Wah, 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 wah. I think that's it. I think that's everything. I hope it is. Okay. Now, after we did that little excursion, we go back to this whole thing and we see, we make a lot of questions, right? So, um, what type of error will the following snippet produce? I don't know. Let's run that and see. Well, syntax error. Syntax error. Missing parentheses. Parentheses in call to print. Did you mean print G golly? A runtime error. Why is this one runtime? I thought this one was a greeting, like the name error. Because greeting is not. Oh, I guess. Oh wait, I forgot that. Sorry guys, I don't know what a runtime error. I don't know what that actually means. We're about to find out now. Okay, so wait, let's go. Let's just steal this. I think it's gonna be the same question for a lot of these. And the answer is a name error, like I thought. Name greeting. It's not defined. I'm rethinking everything now. I really don't think I should do it this way. Ah, this is so annoying. I think I should absolutely put the question and the answer after the code, not before it. Right? Or should I just put the answer after? Maybe that's. Do something like this. Oops. Do I hate it? Do I hate this? I think this is much better than whatever the heck I have right now, though. Put this here, and we'll delete this. And then I think I lost this one. This is impossible. It's fine. It's impossible, but it's fine. Ah, I want to see what this looks like. I'm gonna need a markdown previewer at some point. I think this is how I do it. Let's take this. These questions are fine because they don't really refer to the problem. This one should go here. Man. Ha 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 ha. What is wrong? I don't know. We'll find out. We'll delete that. We'll put it here. We'll delete that. We'll delete this. And we're gonna put it here. Oh, we're not on function set. We're in here. We're in. Yeah. Okay, I drink some water. So, I need a bunch of questions on all this stuff, I think, because I don't really know what they are. So let's see. Like we talked about, oh, syntax error this, name error this, but I don't really know what that means. So, put a question. What is a syntax error? I feel like an error that happens when Python can't understand what you are saying is not a really good definition. Please, cat, dog, monkey. Okay, in that sense, okay, so let's call it an error that occurs when I mean, I guess this. I'm trying to think. I want to say when it breaks syntax rules. I don't think I should make up my own definition. We'll go with this one for now. I feel like this is so vague and also probably wrong. What is a runtime error? An error that occurs when Python can understand. When Python understands but cannot follow through it. Ooh, I like instructions better than code. Understand your instructions. We could take out the N error. Delete 2 W. Okay. Please, I kind of like those examples. We should include them. The end. Please, cat, dog, monkey versus please eat the piano. And you're just like, I can't eat the piano, it's not delicious. I can't eat the piano, it's not yummy. How can I eat a piano? It doesn't taste good. Common, oh wait, let's see what else. Oh, there's also logic errors. We'll talk about it at the end, which means your program runs without crashing but still produces the wrong result. Oh, uh-oh. What is a logic error? Your program runs without crashing, but produces the wrong result. But I think these should go on another line actually. These lines are getting quite long. We'll just put it here. And then we'll go here. How do I go to the other one again? Oh yes, the percent thing. I forget what that is called. What is it called? What is the percent sign called? I need Wikipedia for this. Percent sign. Symbol for a fraction of 100. Does it not have another name? La, 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 la. Oh, I guess you could also call it, I guess, modulo sign in the context of Python. Anyway, whatever. I leave it alone, I leave it alone, I leave it alone. Produces a wrong result, so we get something like, please. We'll put an EG. Please close the back door so that the bugs don't come in. And you're like, what about the front door? So maybe we do it in quotes. I think I like that better. Okay. I got nothing. I feel like I got nothing done today, but it's okay. I did what I could. What did I miss? You didn't miss anything. What kind of niche community have I stumbled upon? Yeah. I like to call them hard errors and soft error, but logic error is probably a way better name for it. What about those errors where you like just don't notice that there's an error? I guess that could also be a logic error. Syntax error is wrong grammar. Syntax error are when the compiler cannot parse the written code due to invalid symbol placement. Oh, that's a really good definition. I like it. And the compiler cannot parse the written code due to invalid symbol placement. That's a good definition. The only way to get a syntax error in Python is to have a missing parentheses or somehow mess up indentation. Oh, landmine errors. Oh, what's the other one I hear a lot? Do you guys know the one where they say with the foot? Something with a foot? Does anybody know what I'm talking about? Something, they call it like a foot something. I've seen two different like articles or like Mastodon posts. Foot gun. Yeah, wall kick foot guns. What the heck is a foot gun? I've seen that term a lot. I think it's enough to read and remember, but it's my opinion. It's how I work. Maybe they ask such strange things at interviews. Ryuzu Project Official. I'm not interviewing anywhere. So for your goals, you can read and remember. Actually, let's explore a little bit. Guys, I have a grand plan. I have a grand plan in mind that I haven't talked much about. I talked a little bit about it in other streams, but a lot of you guys are new. So, oh no, I lost a follower. Everybody hates me. Oh no. But no, what I was gonna say is, they say that if you want something in the world and it doesn't exist, you shouldn't go around whining. You should build it yourself. And one of the troubles that I'm having is that, like, I want to learn how to program, and there's so much advice, and there's so many, there's so much things out there, but there's not like one really like clear path for what I want to accomplish. A lot of the advice is tailored to computer science students who need more practice, need to build a portfolio, or it's tied to it's for like people who want to get a job at big tech or something, or um whatever. It's just like, kind of unspecific, or it's like a list of resources, and a lot of the resources are courses or video based, and I don't learn best from audio visual stuff. So I think to myself, what do I wish I had? I wish I could find something like a complete roadmap that shows you how to program, open for free without spending any money, or as little as possible, using resources from the internet. And what should I do step by step? So I have this project. It's not fulfilled yet, and it's not accurate yet. It's not fulfilled yet. But I'm going to document my entire learning path because I wish someone had done that work for me. So, what are you talking about? Did you not listen to anything I just said, sad ass das DW2? Did you not listen to anything I just said? I banned you yesterday, didn't I? I should ban you again. You gotta keep up with me. You gotta work harder. I literally said I don't learn best from lecture or course material. I prefer to read and practice. Um, and also I like things that are open. A lot of stuff requires that you have an account, you sign up, right? So even if they call it free, really they want your data, they want to track you, they want to give you advertisement, they want to sell you to someone. So they're like, "Oh yeah, we have a free course. Just log in and sign up, and it's easy and free. Ask it access it anytime. In fact, that's why I don't use boot.dev. People have recommended boot.dev to me. I tried their beginning tutorial thing, and I think it's actually, it seems like pretty good, pretty decent, the quality. But I kind of resent being forced to give up my information to use it. That's also why I really like this Waterloo University, like, open, it's a small course, but it's, it's like this little course thing. Because, like, they offer it to you, but they don't force you. Click here to create an account or log in. You can always log in to track your progress. But you don't have to. You're not forced to. It's open, the information. It's the exact opposite of the AI, LLM, big tech belief that we gotta paywall everything and whatever. Data is expensive. What does boot dev take? An email? I think it takes an email. I think it lets you log in with a Google account, whatever. Love using documentation, YouTube tutorials. They are much simpler. Well, the good news to Origami Commenter and everyone else is just because I do something my way doesn't mean you can't do it your way. Would you believe that? Not everyone in the world has to do the same thing exactly the same. Learning Kotlin and build apps on the phone. Oh, that's really awesome. Hi, sir. Good luck with your phone apps. That's really cool, actually. Only paid course that worth paying is live teaching. I'm not saying courses aren't worth paying for. I'm saying I have no money. I'm poor. I have a lot of debt. I can't afford to go back to school or anything. So I gotta make a deal. Anyway, feel free to ignore a suggestion. There's a book by C, the programming language. Yeah, I know. So I have my eyes on that book. Also, the C for everyone, what is it? This one? C for everyone course? Based on the book, too. But, I'm not gonna lie. The more people tell me to learn C, the more I want to avoid learning C at all costs. I feel like at this point I will learn almost any other language except C, because everybody tells me to learn C. Oh, you Python? Why don't you do C? Oh, you're learning. Oh, Scheme sucks. Why don't you learn C? Whatever. Actually, the truth is, I don't see too many people telling me that Scheme sucks. But there are some people that have PTSD from Scheme. I really like Lisp languages. Course is optional. Meow, meow, meow. Nan to Tetris is another one, though. So, Rainbow Fox. Nan to Tetris, the project, looks right up my alley, but guess what? They use Google products for their, document uploading, and I hate big tech. I don't want to download crap from Google and then have Google, they're tracking me. Oh, this is what the cat girl is downloading. Like, I try to avoid them at all costs, which is ironic because I'm here on YouTube right now. You guys do this too because most of you guys are tech people. You have different setups, right? You got different devices. What do they call it? Like separation of concerns. So I log into YouTube only with one particular browser on one particular device, and I try not to touch Google or Alphabet on any of my other devices. Meow. It's a low level as it gets. Yeah. Very powerful, hard. I do want to learn a lower level language for sure. Have you tried Free Code Camp? Is not to your liking. I think Free Code Camp it exists and it's probably okay. Haven't tried it in a long time, but I don't really think. I think it's a little bit too, yeah, it's not really my style, but yeah, it's okay. There's nothing wrong with it. The other thing too, so the other thing too, when I'm assessing materials to learn from, is that, guys, there's a lot of courses and content out there that will teach you just the very surface level, and they won't actually challenge you, and you won't learn all that much. They'll just keep you kind of on the surface. So another part of it is like finding free resources that also introduce some rigor. Bro codes. So if I don't break my brain trying to program something, oh, it breaks my brain trying to do mathematics. C++, Python is very hard for me. Being challenged is an important part of learning. Like just the right amount. Virtualization, something like that. I do need to learn how to use VMs. Yeah, Professor Ambrose, environment isolation. Yep, we gotta do it. You know, it's a scary world out there. I'm not gonna be a doomer kitty today. I went over time by 16 minutes, so I'll run away. Rust official book and wrestling exercises is top tier. Oh, thank you, Rainbow's Fox. So this is just like confirmation bias, but I've had my eye out for Rust because, well, number one, people people that use Rust seem to like it a whole lot, and they can't shut up about it on the internet. So part of me is like, how good can this language be if people can't stop talking about it? All right, but they also recently created like a slightly controversial LLM policy. Now they didn't outright ban LLM contributions or anything like that, but but the fact that they're at least addressing the elephant in the room and talking about it, I don't and I don't know anything about it. People that tried to get it working on the Sega Genesis. Cool. Okay. I run away now. I run away now. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Probably same time, same place.